Hello everyone! This is Teacher Jack. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video lessons ko.
For today, I'm going to discuss about describing and drawing parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines using ruler and set of square. Before we start on our discussion, let's have a review first on these three terms. We have point, line, and line segment. First, it is an exact location in space with no length or width. Correct. It is point. Next, it is a collection of points going on and on infinitely in both directions. Correct. It is line. And the last one, it is a part of a line, has two endpoints and includes all of the points between the two endpoints. Of course, it is line segment. Now, let's proceed to our discussion. First, we have the parallel lines. When we say parallel lines, these are lines that do not meet. Now, let's have our illustration. Okay, we have two lines, line AB and line CD. Try to look at our illustration. What can you say about the two lines? Correct. Two lines do not intersect. Therefore, line AB, this is line AB, and line CD, this is line CD, they do not intersect. They do not meet at any point. They are parallel lines. Okay, so we can write it like this. Line AB is parallel to line CD. The second one is intersecting lines. When we say intersecting lines, these are lines that cross each other. So let's have our illustration. So we have here two lines, line X and line Z. So try to look at our illustration. The two lines intersect each other or cross each other. Okay, so line X, this is line X, intersects with line Z. So this is line Z. They meet at point Y. They form intersecting lines. Therefore, line X, this is the symbol of line. Line X intersects line Z at point Y. Let's have our third one, the perpendicular lines. When we say perpendicular lines, these are lines that intersect and form square corners. So, ito yung pinakapalatandaan ni perpendicular lines, no? They form square corners. So, tignan natin yung ating illustration. So, we have two lines, line MP and line ON. Try to observe ano ang inyong napapansin. Tama, nag-intersect sila and nag-form ng square corners. So, one square corner, sa baba niya, meron again another square corner, and then dito sa kabila, another square corner, and then dito sa taas, another square corner. So, ito ay perpendicular line. Tignan natin. Si line MP, ito siya, line MP, and line ON, this is line ON, intersect in a special way. So, they intersect and then they form square corners. So, dito sa gitna, na nag-form ng square corners yung two lines natin. So, therefore, they are perpendicular lines. So, pwede natin siyang isulat ng ganito. Line MP perpendicular to line ON. Now, magpa-flash ako ng illustration sa ating screen. Tukuyin ninyo kung anong lines ba siya based sa ating discussion. The first one we have, correct, ito ay parallel lines. Let's have our second illustration. Ito ay tama, intersecting lines. Let's have our third one. Tama, ito ay perpendicular lines. Now, I will flash some pictures of different objects and try to identify kung anong lines ba ang nire-represent ng bawat object. Okay, we have the first one, table. Okay, so itong corner ng ating table, so ang ating table ay may 4 corners. Okay, so anong lines or anong line ang nire-represent ng edges or corners ng ating table? Tama, ito ay perpendicular lines. Kasi ang mga lines ng ating table, they intersect and form square corners. That's why ito ay perpendicular lines. The next picture, seesaw. Okay, ang ating seesaw, meron siyang 2 lines. This one and the other one. So, anong lines kaya meron ang ating seesaw? Tama. Ito ay intersecting lines. Kasi yung 2 lines ni seesaw, they intersect and meet at a certain point. Very good. In the next picture, we have the pedestrian lane. Okay, so tignan natin yung mga guhit ng pedestrian lane. So, anong lines ang nire-represent nila? Good job. Parallel lines. Kasi yung mga lines, they do not meet or they do not intersect. Okay? Ngayon, tignan natin itong ating illustration. No? So, identify natin kung alin ang mga intersecting lines sa ating given illustration. The first one, tama. Meron tayong line IV and line OH. So, si line IV at si line OH, nag-intersect sila dito sa point na to. Meron pa ba? Magaling! Si line LT and line OH. So, line LT and line OH. So, nag-intersect sila dito sa point na ito, kay point M. And the last one, we have line EA and line OH. Saan sila nag-intersect? Magaling! Nag-intersect si line EA and line OH dito sa point na ito. Ano naman ang ating parallel lines sa ating given illustration? Tama! Meron tayong line IV and line EA na parallel lines. So, ito si line IV and si line EA. So, they are both in horizontal form. So, hindi sila nag-intersect or hindi sila nag-meet. Therefore, sila ay parallel lines. Meron pa ba? Tama, wala na. Tukuyin naman natin ngayon ang mga perpendicular lines sa ating given illustration. Nahanap na ba? Magaling! So, meron tayong line LT and line EA. So, this is line LT and this is line EA. So, nag-intersect yung two lines and they formed square corners dito sa portion na ito. Meron pa ba? Tama! We have also line LT and line IV. So, line LT and line IV, they intersect and they formed square corners dito sa portion na ito. Let us always remember that parallel lines are lines that do not meet. Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other. And perpendicular lines are lines that intersect and form square corners.